Let's look at how you can find what you need using SharePoint Search. With all this information stored in SharePoint, how do you quickly find what you need? SharePoint Search features has keyword search, which helps find files, pages, and people. Metadata filtering is to narrow results using custom filters. Delve and Microsoft Search for personalized search based on activity. Let's see how SharePoint Search experience help you find what you need in seconds. Here we've entered the keyword project in the search bar. SharePoint instantly returns relevant results across folders, documents, and pages within the intranet. At the top, we see the folder titled Current Projects, followed by Word documents like Project Requirement and Project Requirement 2, showing modification details and where the files are located. You can further narrow down results using filters like File Type or Last Modified, and sort by relevance or date. This makes it easy to access the most important content without digging through libraries manually. Efficient, accurate, and personalized, that's the power of SharePoint Search. Effectively using SharePoint Search can help you save time and avoid frustration. To know more about us, contact us at www.karyatech.com or email at info@karyatech.com.